Hello, it's Ben from Ben Nathan's Tech Stop, and it is Christmas. This is one of my presents. It is a Panasonic FS16 camera. Obviously it's a Lumix. Let's walk you through some of the stuff that's got inside. It's a 14.1 megapixels, ready for HD movie. It's got image stabilization, 4x optical zoom, wide angle lens, and digital red eye correction. So that is all very nice. It's also got a QuickTime thing on it. I don't know why, but no, sorry, I've got a cold. But let's just get on anyway. As you can see, I've already done the sellotape for video purposes. Just open this like that. Right. There we go, sorry about the cut. My sister walked in, but still, let's carry on. So, obviously you get the installation CD with Photo Fun Studio 6 on it. Yeah, whatever, you don't need that. You got the instructions, don't need those. Then we've got wires, we've seen wires before. We got USB to female USB, and a nice wrist strap there, and that is to charge. You put the battery in that little bit there, and there we go. Plug. Oh yep, drop something. What's that? And that would be the battery. I'm not going to go through all the milliamp hours because I'm not that sad. Sorry, whoever does that. But and here is the device. Actually, very light. Whoops, just put it out. Can't. And here it is. Very thin. Probably you've seen these before. So Lumix, 14 megapixels Leica lens. However you say it, Leica or whatever. So very nice. Can we get a no, the battery's not in. So that is just a quick unboxing. Oh, and also I won't open this, but I'll just show you anyway. Got the leather case and 8GB SD card, so all should go very well with the new camera. So hope all of you have a very good Christmas, and thank you for watching.